Alright, so in this video we're gonna do something fairly simple. We're actually just gonna go in and create some of the things we're gonna do for the Vuex. We're not gonna do too much in the Vuex right now. We're just gonna set up the structure and a little bit of coding. So let's create an index.js file inside the Vuex folder. And then here we want to import view from view, and we want to import Vuex from Vuex, and then you want to import later on auth and other things from the auth folder, where we're gonna import it from the Vuex folder we have in there, or we're gonna create at least. So what we want to do now is we want to create a variable here. We want to create const store is going to be equal to vuex dot, it's going to be equal to new vuex dot store, and then it's also just going to ensure inside our package.json file that we have Vuex installed, and we do. Great. So with that said, let's go in and create the rest of this file. Alright, so instead of doing this, we can actually do export default, and then this to a capital here, and then we want to say view.use Vuex, and because this will cause an error right now, we are not really gonna do it, but we're just gonna comment it out, import store from .vuex, and then we're gonna go in and put store as store, and again just comment it out here. And then what we want to do now is inside our pages here, inside authentication, inside auth, we want to have an index.js file, we want to have a actions.js file, we want to have getters.js, and we also want to have mutations.js file. And we might create more files later on, but for now these are the main files we're going to work within inside the authentication system. And then in here we're obviously going to import it and then add in the store and do some small things in here as well. So we are going to focus on a lot of things here, but because this is going to be a long series and we are going to create the authentication system, which in of itself going to take some time and all of that, we are going to split this up to videos where it makes sense. So instead of creating 20 minutes video where I do different kind of things at the same time, I'm just creating videos that needs to be how long it needs to be in order to fulfill what the goal is for that video, instead of having multiple goals, so to split it up to different categories. So actually that would be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.